this video we are going to see about master page. If you put anything on master page, it will show up all of the pages. Every document has at least one master page you can find in the pages panel. You can see here a master. It is the master page. Double click on it. Now we are landing to that page. This is facing pages document, so you can see left hand and right hand pages. If you put anything left side of the master page, only show up left sided pages of the document. Or if you have one sided pages document, then you put anything on the master page, it will reflect on all of the pages. This is a book. Book often has a header and footer section, also the page numbers. Now I want to add a footer section in the book, so I take text tool and click and drag here. Now the cursor is flashing, the text frame is ready to type. I want to zoom, Ctrl 2 to zoom 200%, and cell petal, old fashion, garden flowers. Okay, zoom out, Ctrl 0 to zoom out, and I double click on page number 8. Wow, the footer section is updated, all of the pages. You can see all of the pages, the footer section is updated, but it only reflected on the left side of the page, not the right side. Every left side has updated, but not the right side. So we don't have to enter footer section to all of the pages manually. Now I go to page number 4 and 5. Here it is the content. I don't like to add footer section here, so I have to separate this page from master page. Let me demonstrate. I want to add this none option to this page number 4. Now the footer section is disappeared. How it is happened? You can see all of the pages contain a thumbnail. A means a master page applied, but here the A is gone, but none applied. You can see the none option is applied to the page. So this page is successfully separated from master page. In this way, you want to separate any pages from master page, simply drag none button to that page. It's simply separated. Another one thing, you cannot select master page content in other pages. If you want to edit footer section, wait until the next video. Thank you for watching.